What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, not too much price action going on over the last few days. We're still waiting on that big breakout to come. We did have a several $100 price move all the way down to 9,150 and up to 9,340. But guys, I don't think the breakout happened yet. We're still in a very tightening area in the candles and in the graphs. So guys, I think a move is still coming soon. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget the first 500 subscribers are in it to win a Ledger Nano S, and one will be the lucky winner and drawn. I'll do the drawing live for you guys, so be sure to subscribe and spread the word. The first 500 are in it to win a Ledger Nano S. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. So guys, as you can see here, we are in this upward moving channel here, which is kind of like a widening channel here, but not very much. It's pretty tight. And then we are in a descending triangle here. Okay, so there could be a few things that can happen here. We're getting a tightening going on right here. We are putting in higher low, so higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So that's a good sign. I think we're bullish. Even though after we've been moving kind of steadily downwards since June into July, we've been kind of moving downish. I think we're finally starting to make a reversal here and start to move back. Okay guys, so I think we're finally in some good territory here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I think what's going to happen now is we're going to get a break kind of to the upside here, testing the $9,400 levels again. Okay, I think that's what's going to happen now. We're going to get a break out of this triangle to the upside and remain still in this channel. We could just do a little bit of bouncing around, so something like this. Okay, but the bearish scenario could play out too. So if we end up bearish, we could end up breaking down to something like that. Okay guys, but I'm leaning more towards the bullish side. I think we're breaking up. We've been moving up since the beginning of July. We've been putting in higher lows, so I think that it's just a matter of time. The Bollinger Bands are really tight. The EMA 20 is above the EMA 55, showing a bullish sign. If we zoom in even further, oops, sorry about that line there. If we zoom in even further, we can see right here, the Bollinger Bands are very tight, and the candles are above the middle Bollinger Band as well as the 20 EMA above the 55. So I'm expecting a move to the upside here. That's what I'm expecting over the next day or two. Now we could get a flash crash and bring us all the way down to the 9s again, guys. It's happened several times in the last few months. So just be very mindful. It's actually happened 8 or 9 times. So there's a lot of resistance in the $9,300, $400, $500 levels. And we're kind of just bouncing into it repetitively and then bouncing off of support at the $9,000 level. So even though we're in this tightening, we're a little bit in between that, but in general, it's still very tight and a big move is coming, guys. And I think it's going to be a move to the upside this time. So the $9,400 is a target, okay guys? And I wanted to talk a little bit about Zec, because exactly what happened was Zcash happened. Okay, I was talking about Zcash touching up into the $60 ranges again. And guys, that's exactly what happened. Okay, I made the video here talking about Zcash. It was right here. Bit of a pullback, okay? And then a big rise up into the $60 ranges again, okay? So Zcash doing a lot of good things. And if you notice, guys, it's still in this widening channel here. Okay, it's still moving up. It's looking very bullish ever since March. Okay, so Zcash doing a lot of big things right there. So guys, let me know if you caught that Zcash run up. I literally called it and said it would be going up, and it did. It did exactly that, right up into the $60 ranges. Okay, guys? So let me know if you got in at the bottom right here of this channel, or if you've been riding it since March. Let me know where you guys are standing. Guys, I want to talk a little bit about Electroneum. So we did have that move sideways to the right. Sadly, it is a little sideways and down, okay? We are kind of like it's wanting to stick to this channel, but it's also wanting to break to the upside. So it's one of those things. It's very tight. There's a lot of tight motion here. And if you zoom out a little right here, you can see that we're still above the previous low. Okay, guys, so that's a good sign. So downward motion, uptrend, downward motion. Hopefully we get a little bit of a spike out of this and an uptrend, okay? But what we really need to see for healthy growth is for it to put in a higher high eventually. So it has to get above 0.0067 for it to remain in a very healthy standing, okay? Price action wise, that doesn't mean the project is not good. So guys, as this gets towards the end of its triangle here, do you think we're going to have a break to the upside or the downside? Okay, guys, I think we're going to get a break to the upside here. It's just a matter of time. Although if Bitcoin has a big flash crash, we are going to end back up in this channel. Guys, don't be fooled. A lot of the altcoins do follow Bitcoin. It is just the truth. When Bitcoin makes a big move, so do the alts, and they follow it. It's basically religious. It happens all the time. That being said, Electroneum was the one graph that looked different in comparison to the other graphs. If you zoom out here, okay, so Electroneum, and we'll just compare right with Bitcoin quick. So very different, okay? Very different indeed. So guys, let me know what you guys think is going to happen with Electroneum. I think we're going to get a bit of a break to the upside here. We're way overdue for it. Even though the EMA 20 is down below the EMA 55 and the Bollinger Bands, the candles are below the middle Bollinger Band, I think we're still going to get a reversal to the upside here because we just put in a downward move from 0.0055 down to 0.0053. So I think we're going to get another bounce back up. And that would actually be retesting this triangle resistance that we've been in since the beginning of July. So I think that would be a very good sign if we actually touched right back up here. What we want to do is break out of this candle to the upside, okay? And not end up down in this channel and continuing this channel further. Okay, guys, that wouldn't be good. So guys, let me know what you guys think is going to happen in the comments below. I think we're going to get a bit of a move to the upside right here. Just to right either up to this yellow line or right above it. And then continuing the sideways motion. As you see, we did break out of the channel to the right. So, and a good note, guys, it didn't do something like this when we were in this channel here, and there was a deciding mode. We didn't do something like this. So that's a really good sign for Electroneum, guys. So I think that's a good sign. It could have ended up being a lot worse, and I think we're still in a good territory there. But we need to get a trend reversal, and I hope we break out to the upside here. Okay, guys. Oh, and there's one other coin I wanted to talk about, guys. Chainlink. Okay, guys. Chainlink has gone all the way up to 840. Okay, they're talking about becoming the new Tesla of cryptocurrency. What do you guys think about that? Do you think Link is the new Tesla in cryptocurrency? Here's what they have to say. After breaking above the $5 level, Link's price surged nearly 100% in a matter of days and ended by making a new all-time high at 840. Through this massive push, Link surpassed EOS and Crypto.com to claim the spot among the top 10 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. And you can see it right here, guys. Link spiking up to 756 on the time of this picture, and that's matching when Bitcoin is up 0.87% at 9,320. And guys, what exactly pushed Link up? Okay, it's just basically pushing through resistances back to back, creating new supports. Okay, so in the previous article, a target of $7 and $7.25 was established using the Fibonacci extension tool. However, Link overshot that target by a mile. As the chart shows, a rally might be temporarily over as sellers are stepping in, but this will only be confirmed if the daily candle closes as shown on the chart above. Currently, the candle shows a giant wick on the upside, indicating that there's more sell than buy pressure. Check that out, guys. There's this giant wick here, okay, showing that there's more sell pressure coming in. Does that mean the rally's over? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think the rally is over. I think when a coin gets this much of a spike, it's time for a correction, and basically the what was resistances will become supports now, and I think a retesting of the $6 to $5 range is exactly what's going to happen to Link. So I don't want you guys to be selling your bags off right there, but that's just what I think is going to happen. We're above the moving averages here. It's in a very bullish spot. It's almost like the time to sell, essentially. Okay, guys. But if you believe in Link and think Link's coming for higher times, then it's a good time to not accumulate to the selling pressure, and you want the buy pressure to push it up even further. So it really just depends what you're going for, guys, but it looks like a lot of the selling pressure has come in, and we have a very tall wick, as you can see right there. And guys, I also want to talk a little bit about the mining world and what Asic miners are most profitable. If you're not sure what an Asic is, it's an application-specific integrated circuit designated for the specific purpose of cryptocurrency mining. Okay, guys? And there's many machines out there, as you can see right here, but the ones that are most profitable are the Bitmain Antminer Z15 right now, which mines the Equihash algorithm. Looks just like this. So it looks just like the old Z9s and what is it, Z11s, I think? Yep, Z11. And these are earning about $16.39 a day after electricity costs, which I think is pretty good. You're looking at an ROI in around 5.7 months, and that's if you're paying $2,709 from CoinMine Central, which is from the United Kingdom. And guys, you can actually get probably from Bitmain a little cheaper, but there might be a bit of a wait. I'm not sure exactly how it goes exactly. That every time I buy from them, it's a little different. One time I got it pretty quick. One time it took about a month and a half. So it really just depends on what's going on over there. There's so much stuff going on with the COVID and delays. So if you order a unit and it gets there quickly, I'd be just happy with that. But this unit is putting out 420 souls or kilosouls and at a 1500 consumption watt with an efficiency of 3.5. Okay, that's making around $16.39 a day, guys, after electricity. That's making around $5,000 a year per unit. So guys, if you're only spending $2,000 some dollars on this unit, that is a very profitable. That's doubling your money in a year. Now guys, don't forget, the more people that turn on these units, it goes down steadily. So in essence, by the time you get your unit, you might be making $13, not $16 or $12 even. Okay, so keep that in mind as the price, the longer you have the unit, the more money you make. And the earlier you have the unit, the more money you make, whereas the later you get it, the less money you make. There is a certain, I think third batches don't ROI, whereas first and second usually do. Okay, guys? So guys, that's all I have time for today. Don't forget about my giveaway, guys. Be sure to spread the word. I'm talking to my Electroneum community, guys. I've got many of you guys. I've learned that about 85% of my traffic is Electroneum. So guys, I want you to spread the word to the community to let people know I'm doing TA on Electroneum. I'm doing giveaways, and I'm on point with my calls, guys. I actually watched over a couple of my videos in the last few days just to make sure everything looked good. And the candles and the charts went right where I said it would for almost every video that I've been doing this, guys. So it doesn't get any better than that. If you're looking for price action and accurate calls, this is the channel for you guys. Be sure to subscribe and like. And guys, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for tuning in. I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.